Today I am going to draw a house with mountains and rainbow. Okay, I am going to draw this. Today I will be doing outline with black pen, and next video I am going to color it. Okay, let's start the video. I am going to click in this image. Let's watch it. Oh, how many pictures? Okay, I'm go images and I will see what is this. I can see more than that. Okay, let's see that only. I said you that. Okay, let's start this. So I'm going to do a house within 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Let's go into this. So guys, I finally did the house and the tree was here. That's why the space was not here. That's why I did here. But also it's not looking good. That's why I'm going two mountains and that's two. Yeah. So guys, the drawing is full completed and my work. What is this and this I did it. So please like and comment this on your YouTube and comment please and subscribe, like this video. Bye bye.